The Great Depression, one of the darkest economic periods in modern history. It devastated millions of lives, reshaped economies, and left a lasting impact on global finance. But what exactly caused it? How did people survive? And most importantly, what lessons can we learn today? Before the Great Depression, the 1920s were a time of economic prosperity in the United States, often called the Roaring Twenties. Industries boomed, consumerism surged, and the stock market soared to unprecedented heights. But behind the scenes, a financial disaster was brewing. People believed the stock market would always go up. They borrowed money to invest in stocks, a practice known as margin trading. Banks lent recklessly, and speculative bubbles formed. By 1929, stock prices had become grossly inflated, setting the stage for a catastrophic collapse. On October 24, 1929, the inevitable happened. Panic struck Wall Street as stock prices plummeted. Investors rushed to sell their shares, triggering a massive sell-off. This day became known as Black Thursday, but the worst was yet to come. By October 29, 1929, Black Tuesday, the market had collapsed completely. In just days, billions of dollars vanished. The American economy, once unstoppable, was now in freefall. The effects of the crash rippled through every sector of society. Businesses failed, banks collapsed, and unemployment skyrocketed. By 1933, nearly 1 in 4 Americans was jobless. Bank failures wiped out people's life savings overnight. With no government insurance on deposits, families were left penniless. Farmers suffered from both economic collapse and environmental disasters, such as the Dust Bowl, which destroyed millions of acres of farmland. With no jobs and no money, people had to get creative to survive. Families relied on soup kitchens and government relief programs. Some turned to bartering goods and services, while others traveled across the country looking for work. People learned to live with less, mend their own clothes, and grow their own food. Even children took on odd jobs to help support their families. It was a time of resilience, where communities came together to support one another. At first, the government struggled to respond. President Herbert Hoover believed the economy would recover on its own. He resisted direct government intervention, leading to widespread frustration. But by 1933, Franklin D. Roosevelt took office, introducing the New Deal, a series of programs designed to stimulate the economy, create jobs, and provide relief. The government launched banking reforms, public work projects, and financial regulations to prevent future crises. Programs like the Civilian Conservation Corps, CCC, and Works Progress Administration, WPA, put millions back to work. While the New Deal helped, the real turning point came with World War II. The war effort created massive demand for goods and labor, reviving industries and boosting employment. By the early 1940s, the U.S. economy had recovered, marking the end of the Great Depression. So, what can we learn from the Great Depression? Here are 3 key lessons that still apply today. Overconfidence in the market can lead to disaster. The excessive speculation of the 1920s mirrors modern financial bubbles. It's crucial to invest wisely and avoid risky behavior. Government intervention matters. The New Deal proved that government action can help stabilize economies in crisis. Modern policies like stimulus packages follow similar principles. Resilience and adaptation are key to survival. Just like people in the 1930s adapted, we must also be prepared to handle financial hardships and economic downturns. The Great Depression was a defining moment in history. It reshaped economies, governments, and the way we view financial security. While we hope to never face such a crisis again, the lessons from that era remain relevant today. What do you think? Could another Great Depression happen? Let us know in the comments. That's a wrap. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more history breakdowns. Thanks for watching.